Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make the moss stitch rectangular as I promised before. It's so easy, you will see, and I will use this yarn Kartopu Suave and 6.5mm crochet hook. If you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let's start. I will start with a slip knot and make some chains. You can make any numbers of chain you want, but just be sure about it must be an even number. It's 14. I made 18 chains, and I think that's will be enough just for now. Skip 1, 2, 3 chains, and into that fourth one insert your hook. Take the yarn over and pull it through from 2 loops, and that's a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 chain and make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 into the second chain, make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1 and make a single. Just keep doing like that. And that's the last one. Skip this one and make a single here. Now we will make the corners. For the corner, chain 2, insert your hook into same place and make a single crochet. Then make one more single crochet into same place. Okay, that's our first corner, right side. Chain 2 and make one more single crochet here, and that's our second corner, left corner. Chain 1, we will make our single crochets here. You see, I made a single crochet here, and I will make into the same chain again. Chain 1, skip this one and make a single crochet. Chain 1, skip here, make a single crochet here. Chain 1 and single, chain 1, single. Chain 1, and that's the last one. You see, I skip 3 chain here as the beginning. Now this is my left corner. I will make the right side. Chain 2 and make a single crochet here. I will not make a slip stitch here. I will just keep doing like that. Don't make a chain. Insert your hook into that 2 chain space, take the yarn and make a single crochet. Chain 2. If you want, you can put a marker here. I don't have any now here near me, so I will not use, but it will be easier for you. Chain 2 and make one more single crochet into same space, chain 1, skip this single crochet and into that chain 1 space make a single, chain 1, skip single crochet and make a single into chain 1 space, chain 1 and keep doing like that. When you came to the corner, chain 1 and make a single crochet here, chain 2, make one more single crochet. Now we will skip this second corner, but before this we will make one chain. Okay, make a single crochet, chain 2, single crochet, same place, chain 1, skip the single crochet and make a single, chain 1. I will just keep doing like that. And when I came to the corner, chain 1, make a single, chain 2, one more single crochet. Now I make one chain and into that corner make a single, chain 2 and a single, chain 1, skip this one and into that hole make a single, chain 1, make a single, chain 1, make a single. That's really an easy stitch to make. You can make blankets with that, and when you finish you can make you can add something into onto it. Oh, that's too hard. I forgot how to speak in 2 weeks. I'm at the corner, make a single crochet, chain 2 and one more single crochet, and don't forget we have one chain space here now. Okay, chain 1 and make a single crochet, chain 1 and make a single crochet into the corner, chain 2 and make one more. Now we have 2 space here, one chain space here. It will keep going like that. Our blankets will be bigger like that. And I came corner again, chain 1, single, 2 chain and one more single, 1 chain and make a single crochet into that chain 1 space, chain 1 again, make a single, chain 2, make one more single here. Keep doing like that. When you finish your project, how will you close it? I will show it to you. That's where I begin. Okay, I make my last single crochet, and then if you want you can chain 1, if you don't it's not necessary. into that chain 2 space, insert my hook, take the yarn and make a slip stitch. And make a chain, cut your yarn and hide it. I hope you like this tutorial, and you can ask me any model or project you want to make. I don't know where you live or how is the weather in your country now. It's springtime in Turkey, and I will make I will prepare to make spring projects. If you want other things, please let me know, okay? I want to make something you can make and use now. So I'll wait for your comments. And thanks for watching me today. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I think while I post this video, I will have 10,000 subscribers, and thanks for this too. I'm very happy to have you. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.